Greeting to you all over the world. Let's solve this math which says express 111.011 in base 10. I'll be giving you two examples here. Don't disconnect. Stay connected. Solution 111.011 is already in base 2. It's already in base 2. Now, I want to expound. I will use this 2 to multiply everything, but here will be positive, this side will be negative. So here is 1 times this 2 plus 1 again times that 2 plus 1 times the 2. Before the decimal point, this is 0. Here is 1. Here is 2. Okay? Plus 0 times 2 raised to the power minus 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power minus 3. Minus 3. Okay? Now, 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. So here is 4 plus 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Here is 2 plus law of indices. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1 plus, this is a negative indices. So I want to change the negative indices to positive indices. So here is 0 over 2 raised to the power 1, which is ordinary 2. Okay? Raised to the power 1. Here is plus 1, this 1 over 2 raised to the power 2. Here is plus 1 over 2 raised to the power 3. Okay. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So here is 7 plus 0 over 2 plus 1 over 4, because here is 3 over 2 gives us 4, plus 1 over 8. So let's find the LCM of this denominator. So here is 7 plus the LCM of 2, 4, and 8 is 8. So now, 2 divided by 8 is 4. 4 times 0 is 0. Alright? 4 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So here will be 7 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 over 8. So our final answer is 7 whole number 3 over 8. That is the answer in base 10. Okay, I want to do example number 2. Example number 2, which says express 1011.011 in binary number. So now I want to expound this again. Take note, it's already in base 2. So we are taking it to binary. So now solution All right. 1011 dot 011 in base 2. What will it give us? I will use this 2 to multiply each of these 10. Here's a positive side, while here's a negative side. So now, here will be 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Okay? So here is raised to power 0, 1, 2, 3. Then plus 0 times 2 raised to power minus 1. This is minus 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power minus 3. Okay, now 2 raised to power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 0 come first, so there's no point working on that. Everything there will be what? 0. All right? 2 raised to power 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2. Okay? Plus, the law of indices mathematically states that any value raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. Here is plus. This is a negative indices. So I want to change it from a negative to positive indices. So here is 0 over 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 over 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 over 2 raised to power 3. So 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11 plus 0 over 2 plus 1 over 2 raised to power 2 is 4 plus 1 over 2 raised to power 3 is 8. What we need to do is to simplify this side. Now here is 11 plus, what is the LCM of 2, 4, and 8 is 8. 2 divided by 8 is 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So here is 11 plus 2 plus 1 is 3, which is 3 over 8. So what's our final answer? Is 11 whole number 3 over 8. Irrespective of the class you are viewing me from, I encourage you to subscribe. Irrespective of the country you are, I have viewers all over the world. So share my videos so that you can get to the larger world at Otemu Mass Success. Click on the notification button and subscribe. God bless you. Good.